key fob battery dead in your 2014-2025 Dodge Durango? Don't panic. This video shows you how to unlock, open, and start your Durango even with a dead fob battery, covering model year specific tips and tricks. First, find the physical key. On most Durangos, flip the key fob over and look for a small release latch or button. Press or slide it to detach the hidden key blade. This mechanical key is your primary backup. For 2014-2020 Dodge Durangos, locate the manual key slot on the driver's side door handle. It's often hidden under a small cover or rubber flap. Insert the physical key blade from the fob into the slot and twist to unlock the door. For 2021-2025 Durangos with push-button handles, look for a hidden slot on the edge or underside of the door handle. This slot is often covered or concealed on the handle's edge. Press the handle to begin the unlocking process. While holding the handle, insert the key into the slot and twist it to unlock the door. Once inside the vehicle, place the dead key fob as close as possible to the start button on the dashboard. Next, press and hold the brake pedal firmly to engage the vehicle's safety systems. Then press the start button. The vehicle's immobilizer system will recognize the fob's RFID chip within proximity, allowing the engine to start. If the engine doesn't start with a dead key fob battery, begin by ensuring the fob is very close to the start button, within 1 to 3 feet. Try placing the fob in different positions near the start button. Press and hold the brake pedal, then press the start button. If the engine still doesn't start, there may be an issue with the body control module. Check for recalls or software problems in older models. Visit a dealer for diagnostics, as BCM issues often require professional attention, including possible firmware updates via over-the-air technology. Replace the key fob battery as soon as possible. Most Durangos use a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. To replace the battery, gather the necessary tools, including a small screwdriver or pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. Carefully open the key fob by using a pry tool to separate the two halves. Be gentle to avoid damaging the internal components. Remove the old battery from the fob. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up, as indicated by the markings. Snap the fob back together and test the lock and unlock buttons to ensure the new battery works. Always refer to your owner's manual for model-specific detailed instructions. The future is digital. Newer Durangos are integrating smartphone-based keys and exploring battery-free fob technology. Keep an eye out for OTA updates and Stellantis app features to reduce reliance on traditional key fob batteries. Always have a backup plan.